Welcome to Sterlinx Global. My name is Jay, and I'm one of the account specialists of Sterlinx Global, a UK-based accounting firm specializing in e-commerce and traditional businesses. In our discussion today, we will talk about what taxes do you pay in the UK, ultimate guide to tax and accounting. Let's get right to it. Types of taxes in the UK. The UK tax system is complex, and here are some of the most common tax types that you should be aware of. Number 1. Value-added tax, or VAT. Registration for VAT is mandated if your business's annual turnover exceeds the VAT registration threshold of £85,000. VAT returns are usually filed and paid quarterly, with deadlines 1 month and 7 days after the end of the quarter. Number 2. Corporation tax. Corporation tax is computed and paid based on your company's profits. If you have a limited company, you must pay corporation tax on your profits. The current rate is 19%, but it is subject to change. Corporation tax returns are due within 12 months of the end of your accounting period, and payment is due within 9 months and 1 day of the end of your accounting period. Number 3. Income tax. Individuals who earn income, including profits from their businesses, are generally required to pay income tax in the UK. This means that sole traders and partners in a partnership are typically subject to income tax on their business profits and any other income they may earn. Self-assessment tax returns and the tax liability are both due by the 31st of January following the tax year end. You may also need to pay on account by the 31st of January and 31st of July if your tax bill for the previous year was more than £1,000. Number 4. National Insurance Contributions, or NICs. Self-employed individuals and partners in a partnership are required to pay NICs. Class 2 NICs are usually paid monthly or 6 monthly, and the deadlines will depend on your payment method. Class 4 NICs are paid alongside your income tax, so the deadline is the 31st of January following the end of the tax year. Number 5. Business rates. Business rates are paid by businesses that occupy non-domestic properties. The amount you pay depends on the rateable value of your property, and you may be qualified for small business rate relief if your property for rating has a value of less than £15,000. Business rates are usually paid in 10 monthly installments from April to January, and the exact deadlines will depend on your local council. Types of tax accounting. After knowing the different tax types that you may be obligated to pay, you also need to be aware of the different methods of accounting you can use to record and report your business transactions. Cash accounting. This method records transactions when money is received or paid rather than when the transaction is made. Often, this is used by small businesses or those with more straightforward finances. Accrual accounting. Using this method, you must record your business transactions as they occur, regardless of when the money is received or paid. This is often used by larger businesses with more complex finances. Who carries out accounting? When choosing how to maintain accounting for your business, you have the liberty to choose between in-house and hiring an outsourced professional accounting firm. Regardless, at least one accountant should carry out all your business accounting affairs, unless you choose the less costly but inconvenient way, which is to handle your accounting yourself. This topic is worth a separate discussion. Benefits of tax accounting. Businesses of all sizes should have proper tax accounting in place. Here are some of the reasons why. Number 1. Minimizing tax liability. An accountant can help you identify deductions and credits to lower your tax bill. Number 2. Avoiding penalties. Non-compliance with tax laws can result in penalties and fines. An accountant can help you meet all tax obligations and avoid costly penalties. Number 3. Improved decision-making. Accurate financial statements and tax records can help you make informed decisions about your business. Number 4. Peace of mind. Knowing that your tax affairs are taken care of by an accountant can provide you peace of mind and can divert your focus on growing your business. Hopefully, these benefits are convincing enough for you to do proper tax accounting. It is truly challenging to understand how tax and accounting work and how they can be applied to your business. However, we hope that this UK Tax Full has provided you with enough clarity and can actually be useful in your business endeavor. And before ending this video, we will be answering some frequently asked questions about UK tax and accounting. Number 1. What is the difference between tax avoidance and tax evasion? Tax avoidance is using legal methods to reduce or minimize tax liabilities. It involves taking advantage of tax laws, exemptions, and deductions to legally minimize the amount of tax you owe. On the other hand, tax evasion is the illegal non-payment or underpayment of taxes. It involves deliberately concealing or misrepresenting income or assets to avoid paying taxes. Serious consequences can happen if you commit tax evasion, from simple fines to criminal charges. Number 2. How to register for self-assessment tax in the UK. Upon self-assessment tax registration, you will need to complete an online registration form on the HMRC website and provide your personal details, national insurance number, and information about your income and employment status, among others. Number 3. How is income tax different from VAT? In a nutshell, income tax is a tax on earnings, whereas VAT is a tax per consumption. With that, income tax is paid by individuals and businesses based on their profit and other sources of income, while VAT is paid by consumers when they purchase goods or services. Another key difference is that income tax is progressive, with higher earners paying a higher tax rate, whereas VAT is a flat rate tax applied equally to all consumers regardless of income level. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned and understand more about what taxes you pay in the UK and how tax and accounting works for business. But if you are still unsure and need further advice, you can seek help from us at Sterlinx Global. Visit our website at sterlinxglobal.com. If you enjoy our content and want to learn more similar topics about business, accounting, and taxation, please like the video and subscribe to our media channels. Again, I am Jay of Sterlinx Global, and I will see you next time.